Hey all, it's Jonathan from Style Factory, the go-to site for business app reviews. In this video, I'm going to walk you through all the Canva pricing plans and help you work out which one is best for your needs. Stick around and I'll also show you how to get your hands on a special version of Canva Pro that you can use entirely free for 30 days. Okay, let's dive in. There are 4 Canva plans to choose from: Canva Free, Canva Pro, Canva Teams, and Canva Enterprise. I'm going to start with Canva Free. Canva Free is, as its name suggests, Canva's forever free version, and actually it's very good. It's possible to use this free plan to create designs that are professional in appearance and look great both online and printed. The free plan includes access to over 2 million Canva templates, over 100 design layouts, over 3 million free photos and graphics, and 5 GB cloud storage. With these features, you can do some pretty decent design work for no cost at all. And if you're interested in trying them out, there's a link to Canva Free in the description. However, there are some significant advantages to be gained by using one of the Canva paid-for plans. Let's take a look at these, starting with Canva Pro. Canva Pro can be purchased for either $15 per month or $120 per year. A significant difference between this plan and the free one is the enhanced access you'll get to premium assets, stock photos, videos, audio, and graphics. With Canva Pro, you can make use of an enormous range of additional stock photos and graphics, over 130 million. But you also get access to an audio and video library too. This gives you access to over 500,000 audio tracks or sound effects, and to almost 10 million video clips. There are also more templates available on the Pro plan. Although Canva Free is pretty generous when it comes to templates, giving you access to over 2 million of them, Canva Pro gives you access to over 4.5 million. Another key thing you get on Canva Pro, but not on the free plan, is more brand kits. Canva's brand kit feature lets you upload a logo and your own fonts, and define a palette containing your brand colours. It helps you ensure that anything you produce in Canva remains firmly in keeping with your brand's visual identity. But while you can only create one brand kit on the free version of Canva, Canva Pro lets you work with up to 1,000 of them. This means that a Canva Pro account can be used to facilitate client work or to manage lots of internal sub-brands. You also get full access to Canva's Magic Studio features on the Pro plan. Magic Studio refers to Canva's growing arsenal of AI-powered design tools. These include image generation tools, copywriting features, translation tools, and animation tools. A particularly useful feature included here is Canva's Magic Switch resize tool. This lets you repurpose existing designs for different platforms really easily. For example, you can open an existing design and then use Magic Switch to automatically reformat it to suit different social media channels. Another key benefit of the Canva Pro plan is its background remover. On the Canva Pro plan, you get access to a background removal tool that makes it easy to remove the background behind the main subject in an image. The feature is really useful for creating headshot or thumbnail images for platforms like YouTube and LinkedIn. You also get more file export options on the Canva Pro plan. The Pro plan gives you more flexibility around file exporting than the free version. Unlike Canva Free, it lets you download your designs with a transparent background or apply compression to them. It also lets you output vector-based versions of your work. Canva Pro also gives you a lot more file storage to play with than the free plan. With the free version of Canva, you get 5 GB of storage. This will be eaten up quickly by any large multimedia files that you add to the platform. Canva Pro gives you 200 times that amount in the form of a 1 TB limit. Finally, the Canva Pro plan gives you access to quicker support. On both the free and Pro Canva plans, support is provided via email. The turnaround time for support queries on the free plan is lengthy, however. You may find yourself waiting up to 7 days for a reply. On Canva Pro, email support is much quicker. You can expect a reply within 24 hours. Okay, so those are the key advantages of using Canva Pro over Canva Free. Next up, a look at the Canva Teams plan. But first, I just want to say that if you're interested in using Canva Pro, make sure you check out the video description, where you'll find a link to a special 30-day version of its free trial. This is the best way to try Canva out. it gives you a huge amount of time to get to grips with the platform and create lots of designs for free. Right, let's move on to Canva Teams. The Canva Teams plan costs $10 per user per month or $100 per user per year if paying annually. But what does it offer over Canva Pro? Well, as you might expect, the first key advantage that Canva Teams has over Canva Pro involves user limits. While Canva Pro is designed for individual use, Canva Teams lets you add multiple team members to your account. Its pay-as-you-grow approach lets you add as many seats as you like, whenever you like. Another key thing you get on this plan is better workflow management. Although Canva Pro does let you share projects and collaborate on them with other Canva users, the options for doing so are pretty basic. Canva Teams gives you sophisticated workflow management features, however. These let you add approvers to projects who can access, review, feedback on, and approve your team members' work. You also get more advanced template locking features in Canva Teams. The Canva Teams plan lets you lock down your templates more tightly than the Pro plan, meaning that you can retain a lot more control over the appearance of your assets. You also get reporting features in Canva Teams that are not present in Canva Pro. Canva Teams Domain Report lets you track the number and types of designs created, edited, and shared by team members, allowing owners to monitor user engagement. Finally, Canva Teams gives you a 2-hour support turnaround time. While on Canva Pro you may be waiting up to 24 hours for a response, Canva for Teams support queries are typically answered within 2 hours. Okay, so that's a walkthrough of the key features of Canva Teams. If you'd like to try it out for free, you can do so by clicking the special link in the video description. Last up, we have Canva Enterprise. This version of the platform is pitched at mid to large sized organizations with teams containing over 100 people. Unlike the other Canva plans I've discussed, Canva Enterprise lets you create multiple teams across one organization, allows you to control which graphics teams can use, and provides control over which team members can share work externally. It also gives you protection against intellectual property infringement claims, a single sign-on feature, and a dedicated account manager. Some of these features depend on your team's size, however. In terms of how much all this costs, pricing for Canva Enterprise is customized to the specific needs and requirements of your organization. You'll need to contact Canva to negotiate a price for it. And that's that. Our guide to Canva pricing. A reminder that if you check out the video description, you'll find links to all the available Canva trials, including a special link that gives you access to Canva Pro for 30 days. I hope you found this video useful, but if you'd like to access an even deeper dive into Canva costs, you can read our in-depth blog post on Canva pricing. Just Google Style Factory Canva pricing to find this. Before you go, we'd love you to subscribe to our channel and hit the notifications bell. This helps us out and gives you access to all our latest Canva resources. And finally, if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. We read them all and we'll do our best to help.